Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mujtaba Naveed, and this is the midterm task for IT in Business Lab. So the first one is explain and insert cover page. So from the insert tab, we will go to the cover page and we can add this one. Over here in the document title, we can change the title. Now we'll go to the next page. And the next one is explain and insert paragraph with font size 12, heading size 14, and justify paragraph alignment. So the heading is Pakistan. And to add a random paragraph, we can do equal to rand brackets and enter. So there is a sample paragraph. We will select the heading, and from the home tab, we can change the font size to 14. Then we'll select the paragraph, and by default the size is 12. So from this button we can justify the alignment. To justify the alignment, we can use Control J as well. The next one is explain and insert image and table. To insert image, we go to the insert tab and pictures. So here we go with the sample picture. Now it says insert a table. So again, we go to the insert tab and table. We can select how many rows and columns we want, and there's a sample table as well. And the next one is explain and insert header and footer. So for the header and footer, we can add a header from I added my enrollment number, and for the footer we can add page number like this. And the last one is explain and apply spelling check. To apply spelling check, we go to tools, spelling and grammar check. And the spelling and grammar check is complete. Now we will start with the MS Excel work. So I have got some information. Now we will apply some basic formulas like explain sum. So to sum, we will use equal to sum, and we will select the data. And when we will press enter, we will get the sum of the values. The next one is count. So the count functions only count the numeric values. So we will put equal to count. We will again select the area and we will press enter. So there are 48 numeric values in this table. The next one is countIf. The countIf function only calculates the specific value. COUNTIF. To apply the COUNTIF function, we will put equal to COUNTIF, and we will select the area, and then we will tell that which specific thing we are finding. Like if I'll write Moise, so this will tell me that how many times Moise is written in this table. COUNTIF. So 2 times Moise is written in this table. The next one is if else. So to use if else, we will say equal to if, and then we will select the whole table, and then we will write that in the CGPA section, like if 3.6 is 3.6 is greater than 3. So this means that it's pass, else it is fail. So when I press enter, it will tell me that this is pass. So again, if we try, we put equal to if the amount we are calculating, like now we can calculate the 3.5 is greater than 4, comma pass, comma else it's fail. So 3.5 is not greater than 4, so it's fail. Now we will add a pivot table. To add a pivot table, we will go to the insert tab and pivot table. So we need to give the range. So we'll select the table. Okay. So here we have filter, columns, rows, values. If we select names, in rows, and the subjects in columns, CGPA in values, and fees also in the values. So we will get a pivot table. Now we will use conditional formatting. We select the table, and from the home tab, we will apply conditional formatting. There are many options. We can highlight cell colors greater than. So if I add the cells that are greater than, let's say 3, color them red. So the whole table will get. By using clear rules, we can clear that as well. So we'll select this CGPA section, and from the conditional formatting, we can use the greater than functions to highlight the letters which are greater than 3.5. So then we can select the name. We can use the conditional formatting for text that contains M. We can color that in green. So the text that contain M is in green. There's another function, so we can apply it on fees. The data bar function. The highest data is full bar and the others are marked. Now we will start with MS PowerPoint. There are some basic functions like how to insert new slide. To insert new slide, we will go to the Home tab. There's a function new slide. We can select that which kind of slide we want, or if we just click new slide, we will get a new slide like this. So on the first one, we can add a title. With a subtitle, and in the next slide we can also add a title, and from here we can add images, video clips, charts, tables. So we will add a picture over here. So picture is inserted. The next function is explain what is transition and animation. So the transition is applied to a slide. So on this slide, if I'll apply a transition split, so on the next slide, I can use another transition. Now the animation. To use the animation is done on a selected thing. Like if I select BNU and I select the animation appear. we can change the timings that on click or with previous. Same with the BBA. We select and another transition. We can also transit this image as well with path animation. And the next step is how to start a presentation. To start a presentation, we'll press the F5 key to start a presentation.